So if you're following along, we have created a Google Tag Manager container and added it to your website, and we tested that it's working. We created a Google Analytics 4 account from an existing Google Analytics 3 Universal Analytics account, and we are now ready to finally add Google Analytics 4 to our website with Tag Manager. So let's navigate over to Tag Manager, and once you're in Tag Manager, come over here to where it says New Tag. And in this case, fortunately, Google has a tag for us already. Remember, in Tag Manager, sometimes we have to use HTML, the custom HTML tag. Here we have a GA4 tag. So I like to have GA4, I label what it is, GA4. And then let's go ahead here under GA4 configuration. And then let's come over here. Here's what we need. Our property ID is right here. Let's grab that property ID. We mentioned that in the previous video. And under here, we're going to click all pages as our trigger. And again, there's another shot of what our measurement ID looks like, a little bit bigger. And so over here now, we are in our GA4 tag configuration. Add your measurement ID and just have a page view event when this loads. Now the next thing we're going to see here is that we have made the update to the workspace. So let's go ahead and submit the workspace. I like to add added GA4, just the basics. Click publish. Now, in order to test that we've done it correctly, let's go ahead and connect Tag Assistant to our website like we did before. So what you're going to do is you're going to click preview over here, and then you'll get Tag Assistant. So I want you to type in the name of your website and click connect. You're going to see something like this, Tag Assistant connected. And then you'll be able to look in that debugging window right next to it, and you're going to see here, Google containers found, and you're going to see that you have GA4 fired. I have Quantcast on this side also, but you're going to see here that GA4 has fired. And so now you know that Google Analytics 4 is configured properly. You can then stop debugging in that area. And there you go. So now you have the basic setup of Google Analytics 4 done with Tag Manager. You should start receiving data, usually like within a few minutes. Google tells you 24 hours, but usually in a few minutes. And what we're going to do later on is we're going to have some intermediate topics like how to connect Search Console and conversion tracking, Google Ads in the near future. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our free Google Analytics 3 course that we have, as well as our do-it-yourself SEO course. Our GA3 course is good because the interface is different, but the concepts of how to read analytics are all the same. So it might be something worth looking at, especially because it's free. So thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.